Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually join a Discord server without an invite link. Now it's a very easy process. Make sure to watch this till the very end so you don't miss any important steps. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Discord application, and let's say you know the exact server you want to join. This is very important. What you want to do is you want to scroll through your servers and find the Add a Server button. And from there you go to, you already have a link, so join a server. Now what you want to do, you want to type the link, so HTTPS, and then from there do the exact same as I am typing, discord.gg/, and what you want to do now is type out the name of the server in the invite link. So simply paste it right here, and from there press join servers. Now most of the times the invite link will work and you can join the server through this method. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.